And another one joins the list, this time being Phil Nicoletti. After 18 years of a professional ride, he is calling it quits or retiring at the end of the SMX season. And sadly, this is going to be a lot of people in the next few years. You get AC, Nicoletti, and Dean Wilson this year, but the generation of riders that we've seen in the last 10 years, you're going to see a lot of people start retiring in the next 2, 3, 4 years. And it sucks. I mean, obviously, we have some of the new blood coming already with Deegan and the Lawrences and, the Futures guys coming up soon, but there's gonna be a whole generation of people that these are the riders they grew up with the last 10, 12 years, 15 years, whatever. It's gonna be a big change. And I mean, you gotta say for these guys too, he's what, 31, he said, I think in his video on his YouTube, which on his YouTube, sorry, on his Instagram, where he said, quote, "There are no words. I have enjoyed this ride very much, and every great human that was a part of it. Thank you." And 31 years, you got to think this is all he's done. This is mostly all these guys have ever done. They grew up wanting to be professional riders. They rode their whole, childhood, teenage years, 20s, into the early 30s, and then it's got to be a massive change for these people every single day, waking up, training, eating right, working out, to what do you do after this? I mean, obviously, you have a lot of people like Cian Cirillo who have the fan base and the pull that they can do podcasts or whatever they want. But for, a lot of these guys, it's going to be, what do you do? You know, going from every day being so structured and you got to do this, you got to do this, got to do this, to you can do whatever you want. It's going to be some massive, just life change for a lot of these guys. Every week you're not going to the races. Every week you don't have to get into that mindset of, race win, try hard, whatever. But it sucks. I mean, especially, a lot of these people, fan favorites, I don't know, Filthy Phil, like a lot of people like him. It's I don't know. Right? But I guess you guys in the comments below, you tell me. Uh Are you like, when did you start watching? Like, who was the people or the guys that brought you in, got you into this, I guess? For me, it was like I came in like the Villapoto, Ryan Dungey era, so I'm a little bit before this generation of things, but I don't know. Comments below, you guys tell me. Who are you gonna be sad to really see go? Obviously, like Tomac, Roxon, they're gonna be probably the next few, and I don't know. Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Who do you think wins between Webb and Jet this year? Are you gonna go watch any outdoors to see Phil race or whatever it is? Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things the platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.